Roger. Right, I know he's out, so I might head up to Hampton. It is the Wednesday the 18th of September 2021, and I'm with Johnny Roger. I only got 3 days left till I'm back in Cheshire again. That'll be forever then. I might bob down occasionally, maybe odd time here and now and then, but yeah, most of the time I'll be in Cheshire filming Geo, Mike, George, Frederick, Paul and whoever else, maybe Pinelli's from Macclesfield. So yeah, keep subscribing, keep liking, and yeah, this is your treat. I did tell you, but yeah, I'd had to find the time. Today's the time, and I saw him, so yeah. See you in a minute. There he is. There's the teddy bear picnic van. Sorry that I didn't get to film Johnny Roger properly, because he just disappeared on me, so yeah, at least you got to hear him. So if I bump into him again, I'll video him tonight, or if not, this is my last one because I'm going back up to Cheshire soon. I'll go and find teddy bear picnic. He's knocking around somewhere. There's Johnny Roger.